Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to increase your dimension text to be visible. So I'm going to turn this off. So at times when you create a lovely piece of drawing, architectural drawing I've created, you run into some problems because the dimensions are not visible. So I'm going to take my dimension and I'm going to dimension from this place to this window. I'm going to just erase that because it didn't come out well. So I'm going to just dimension this part. Now the text are not visible, so that's a problem. So I'm going to erase this. So I'm going to teach you how to be able to bring out the dimension to be visible. So I'm going to go to dimension style. The text is style to standard. There's a preview, it's very jam packed. So I'm going to go to modify. There's a standard, is text. I have arrows, I have all, so I have text. So I'm going to go to this box here. There's a three dots, that means there's a dialog box coming up. So I'm going to click on it. So at this point here I have 0, my text height to be 0, so I'm going to change it to 180. On my keyboard I'll type 180. I'm going to say OK and apply and close. So the pop is previous here, so this how is going to be. Now you can just also go over to making some other units, changing some other things you want, but I'm pretty good with this, so I'm going to click OK. So I'm going to set it current, so I'm going to say close. So I'm going to go to my dimension. I'm going to click on my drawing. I'm going to dimension it. So that's pretty cool. It's how the visibility of the text is out. Now I can read my text and I can still do some more. I'm going to take on leader. I'm going to do some more. I'm going to do some more. I'm going to do some more. I'm going to also make some more. Just more. You can continue, and it's really nice, and really, so you can just continue with dimension, and that's way, and that's how it is. That's it, guys. To give us a thumbs up if you love our video, and also subscribe to our channel to have more videos. See you in our next video.